Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Toyota app. So let's get started. So if you are an Apple user, then you have to open your Google Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, then you have to open your Google Play Store and follow these simple steps. So just go to the Google search bar and search for the Toyota app. Okay, and from here I can see the Toyota iConnect. Just click on here, then you here have to click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can just do it, and when you will just go to the iConnect Toyota, from there you can just connect your car remote controlly and you can use it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.